Hi everyone, I'm Jerry here with my son, and we were just sent this really cool little golf practice net and mat. Now this mat right out of the gate, I can tell you is extremely thick and sturdy, does have really nice ribs on the bottom to hold this thing in place, and it's nice that this is a dual mat. It's actually got a higher grass kind of a turf and a lower grass kind of a putting style turf. And they do provide you with this piece here that you can even insert in the bottom to go ahead and put a ball up higher like a little rubberized tee if you want to do that. If you don't have to use that. This also is a nice handle and can even hang up on the wall for when you're not using it. They do provide you with 5 high quality golf balls, and those actually fit directly in here. So that way as you're playing, you can actually bring them over here with your club so that you actually have kind of a load out for that. You also get this piece here. This is your high quality net and fabric with this Oxford fabric included in here, which is really great. This has got all the instruction guides that you need to set this thing up, and I'm going to get that set up here in a second. It's got targets and everything with that. And then you are also provided with these. These are really nice because they're already all held together and will help you get this thing put together because they automatically lock in place. They're all wired together, so you don't have to worry about figuring out which piece goes where. They automatically are going to stick themselves together, so that's really nice. And it also compacts down for storage. So I'm going to go ahead and get part of this put together, and then we'll show you how it works. So you just lay this out. It's real simple. It's kind of like putting together a camping tent. Each corner of this, when you lay this out, has these little pins on it like this, and you're going to simply take the shafts. There's 2 of them. They're automatically stuck together like I showed you before, and you're just going to start feeding them through these little tubes through here, and they're going to crisscross at the top, again, just like a camping tent. So I'm going to slide this one through, we're going to slide the other one through, and then you're just going to stick the ends in these, bend them up, and it'll poof this up into a nice little tent. And this can be used indoors or outdoors, which is really nice because you get a lot of versatility with that. I'm setting it up outside, but this could easily be set up indoors. So we've actually got this thing kind of set up. It's almost 7 feet high by about 10 feet across. So it's pretty good size, but again, with the 7 foot high height here, it should fit indoors. It could fit in your garage. Once you get this crisscrossed at the top, you've actually got a tie that you can tie onto here just to kind of hold the top. I honestly am not entirely 100% sure that it's really that necessary because it really is pretty tight on here. This mesh feels very nice. It feels very high quality. And it went from being compacted down into, this large structure. They do provide you with these stakes, so if you are doing this outside or it's windy, you can easily stake that in. And then you have this option, which is this target and 3 holes that you can hang up any direction that you're wanting to have it to give you the ability to use some targets, to do those little holes for practice. And to put those in, you've got these toggles. You can simply insert them here around this and toggle those in. You can either let it hang or you can twist it around and tie it in, via these toggles. So that's really nice. Really quick setup, to be honest. And then you've got the bottom part that actually can tie these in to give you the taunt piece here. So I'll get this part put in. So I'm going to go ahead and drive these a few times into here so you can see the driving power into this. And even just driving it in, you can see that it's not actually going to be going through this net. It actually accepts a lot of force. If you're using a driver, of course, you're going to try to aim for your target. If you're using a chipping type tool, you'll want to try to chip it into these little pockets, which is kind of fun. I'm going to let my son come up here and try to hit one. Come on over here. And you can try to use this and try to hit one of these things in here. So this would work great for adults, or if you've got kids that are working, trying to work on their practice swings. Go ahead, bud. They'll have a lot of fun trying to do this as well. Has a lot of really nice versatility with this. I'm loving the fact that you can use this indoors or outdoors because of the fact that it's got this really nice mesh and build with this, including the bottom piece. This heavy duty rubber plate is really nice as well. Let's go ahead and get you set up with this piece here. This little practice tee piece, I personally think it sets it up a little bit high, but if you've got someone else that's wanting to practice, gives them a great ability to do that. So this would work well in your home, your office, or outside for lots and lots of hours worth of practice fun.